So you talked about trying to get justice for Magnitsky outside of Russia because it was impossible to get justice inside of Russia. Can you talk about any efforts to get justice in international organizations like the International Court of Justice instead of getting justice by taking these men's money?
Well, there are several other initiatives going on. One is that Sergei's widow and his mother have taken Russia as a country to the European Court of Human Rights. And that case will be adjudicated this year, where hopefully the result will be a conviction of the Russian state. Now, it's not a particularly satisfying conviction because it doesn't convict people, it convicts the state. And there's a small financial award and a bunch of blistering sentences, but it doesn't, when I say sentences, there are sentences on a piece of paper, not jail sentences. The other initiative which we have taken on is we've said to ourselves, until we can get the people for torture and murder in Russia, we might as well at least get them for money laundering and theft outside of Russia. And so a team of people who work for me have been tracking the money for the last 5 years and have identified quite a bit of the $230 million. And we've cooperated with law enforcement agencies all over the world. And for example, the US Department of Justice about a year ago seized $20 million of apartments in Lower Manhattan that were purchased using proceeds from the Magnitsky crime. The Swiss police have seized $20 million at UBS and Credit Suisse belonging to the perpetrators, and there's about a dozen other criminal investigations going on around the world.